Hello, welcome to the Creating Asynchronous Learning Activities tutorial. My name is Antoinette Moore, and I am the Faculty Technology Specialist in the City Department at Winston-Salem State University. Due to the COVID pandemic, I'm sure you've heard of the terms asynchronous and synchronous learning. You may be wondering, what are these terms? In this tutorial, you will learn the definition of asynchronous learning, and I will provide examples. You will see some of the asynchronous tools available in Canvas, and I will create an asynchronous learning activity. Let's talk about asynchronous learning. The Schoolology Exchange defines asynchronous learning as the learner's ability to access course content, demonstrate what was learned, and communicate with peers and instructors on their own time. The learners do not have to be in the same geographic location or the same time zone to participate. Examples of asynchronous learning include watching a video lecture, and participating in discussion boards at any time of the day, not on a scheduled time. Advantages of asynchronous learning are: learning is anytime, anywhere, accommodates different learning styles, learners work at their own pace to independently complete assignments and tasks, high degree of flexibility and autonomy, less social obstacles. The learner has more time for reflection, collaboration, and student-to-student interactions, and the discussion boards can aid in higher order thinking. And discussion boards is an example of an asynchronous learning activity. Now, we do have some disadvantages of asynchronous learning, and they are: feedback from the instructor or peers are not instant. It could be a lonely experience for the learner and can cause lack of motivation. No real-time activities and collaboration, and the learner has to be self-disciplined. Now, the next part of this tutorial, I want to discuss some of the Canvas asynchronous tools that you may be aware of, or this may be something new to your ears. So I'm just gonna list the names of the Canvas asynchronous tools, and you can see what they do. And as time progresses, if you have questions about these tools, you're most definitely welcome to reach out to me. So we have, of course, the Canvas discussion board. We also have ePortfolios. We have Inbox, Khan Academy, Office 365, Panopto, Piazza. We have PlayPosit, VoiceThread, and YouTube. Let's create an activity. This particular screen shows the Canvas discussion board, but today I am going to talk about Piazza. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Piazza, and Piazza is Piazza, not pizza, but Piazza. All right, so Piazza is a web tool designed for students to post questions in a question, note, or poll format, and they can easily search for their responses to their questions from their instructors and peers. Basically, as I said earlier, Piazza is a discussion board on steroids. However, this tool has the following features and functionality that other discussion boards do not have: streamlined and intuitive interface, eliminates email inbox clutter, wiki-style format, customizable polls to allow the instructor to gauge what is happening with the learners, editor to write equations, code blocking and syntax highlighting for reading text easily, upload pictures, files, and embed videos into the editor, detailed class statistics, which are downloadable, and students are notified when a question is answered. Piazza is a tool integrated in Canvas, but it is inactive in your courses. Therefore, you must go to the settings, click on the navigation tab, scroll down the page, find Piazza here in the bottom, and drag Piazza up to where you want it to be located on your course menu. So I'm going to drag it up to the top so that I don't have to navigate so much around in Canvas when I'm demonstrating the tool. And also be sure to save this change by clicking the Save button. Piazza is now located and activated in your course. I'm going to click on the Piazza link. When it opens up initially, you will see the Configure Your Class WSSU. So what you want to do is be sure to configure your class and follow the prompts and information that are on this page, and you can set it up based on your preferences. So I'm not going to talk too much in detail about what these settings do, but be sure to read them, and when you have answered and complete the information on this page, be sure to select Finish Setup and continue to class. When you have successfully configured Piazza, click on the Q&A tab. Always remember to select the Q&A tab at the top of the page to go to the Piazza's home page for your course. So right now, we are in the Q&A portion of this course, and it provides the questions and the answers that students will send and answer, and those that you also, as the instructor, send and respond to. Before we get started, I am going to show you how to set up your account settings. Click the gear wheel on the far right hand side of the page and select Account Email Settings. On this page, you can update your personal settings by including a profile picture of yourself here. You can also change your class and email settings by selecting Email, Edit Email Notifications, located in Class and Email Settings. Next, if you want to use an assistive device for visual or motor impairments, select the box next to the setting and save. Displayed how to set your account settings for your Piazza page. So now I'm going to go back to Q&A and open up the dashboard and talk about what you see here on this page. On the left side of the dashboard, which is here in this area, you see the post, the discussion board questions are listed in reverse chronological order with the recent post at the top. Pinned indicates the post was saved and remains at the top of your list, and the other questions are posted by the week it was posted. Another feature in Piazza is the search bar. The search bar allows you as the instructor or the student to type a term that was discussed in the questions or answers, and Piazza will provide the findings from that term and display the post or the answers that contains those terms. In Piazza, you can create a new post or add to an existing post. To create a new post, click the New Post button. And Piazza will ask you what type of post. You have 3 options: question, note, or poll. For this example, I'm going to select question. Next, it asks, do you want to post to the entire class or an individual or instructor? Then I have to select a folder. So I'm going to select HW1, and summary is the title of the post, which I'm going to say week 1. And then in the editor, this is where you post your question, but I'm going to type post week 1 question here. When I scroll down the page, you have posting options, send email notifications immediately, or add this post to students' reading list. Now, you also have the option of saving this post as a draft, or you can post it immediately. So I'm going to select post to WSSU. And as you can see, my week 1 question appears on the left side of the page. So that's how you post a new post. To respond to an existing post, click on that post on the left side of the page and click in the box where it says start a new follow-up discussion and post here. Post. Also, on the right side of the dashboard is where you can see the class at a glance. Share your Piazza class board with others. Piazza demonstration was a very general overview. If you wish to learn more about the tool, please contact me. I believe this tool is a great way to engage student participation. By utilizing it, you can create asynchronous and synchronous discussion boards. Today, I showed you how to use Piazza to create asynchronous learning activities. I will provide a tutorial to demonstrate how to create synchronous learning activities. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.